Good evening, everyone. My name is Christian Mons Abraham, and I'm going to report our chosen company, the Jollibee Logistic Plan. So, we all know that Jollibee is one of the most famous food chain here in our country. Not just here in our country, but also it is famous all over the world. So, may we start on our organization. Next slide. The internal analysis, the organization. So Jollibee is the largest food chain in the Philippines, and we Filipinos are upbeat individuals by nature, developing up as child and indeed as grown up. We learn to tally on straightforward delights, particularly when life gets small bit harder and we discover it fun in a sort of way. Jollibee, our top choice food chain, and undoubtedly one of our cheerful peels, a food that celebrates with us and spares us from inescapable crappy days. Over a long time, our adore for the nourishment for its one thing that we have been sharing as Filipinos. We Filipinos provide its customer top choice delicious chicken joy to their classic spaghetti to their yum burgers, and Jollibee also become a scene of birthday parties, arbitrary barcadas meetups, and family celebrations. And the company started in 1975 as an ice cream parlor in Cubao, Philippines, and grew to sales of 2 million Filipino pesos by 1978. So I think every Filipinos people knows Jollibee very well, and we Filipino itself are enthusiastic when it comes to food satisfaction. Next slide. So human resources. At Jollibee, workers gotten or employees gotten broad preparing so that they might learn the corporate values of keenness and humility. The company had a family like environment at work, which gave the employees a sense of having a place and togetherness. Jollibee was positioned 16th in Asia and first within the Philippines as the best employees studied conducted by Hewitt Partners, the Asian Divider Road Diary in Fear in September 2001. And we can't deny the fact that Jollibee is have a lot of awards because of its quality food and quality services. In addition with the human resources, Jollibee also hires a part-time job for the students, specifically who are in college. Next slide. So relations with internal customers. So I think that and I believe that every business and every firm that their common goal, their ultimate goal, I mean, is to make their customer satisfied. Because that's why profitable sales is labeled second and first is the customer satisfaction. Why? Because in order to satisfy your customer, in order to have a big sales or big profits, you need to satisfy your customer first. And the loyalty of the Jollibee will never change. That's why the customer satisfaction is really huge, had a huge impact to Jollibee. Next slide. Okay, quality product. Okay, a quality product aims to bring joy and satisfaction to every Filipino to celebrate their special occasions and treat their loved ones with very affordable but quality food. And honestly, in my honest review, I love all the product of Jollibee products. And specifically, my most favorite, I will be biased to spaghetti. I don't know the taste because it's really tasteful and I really love it even when I was a child. So, quality of service. We all know that Jollibee serve us 24 hours, craving from the food that we like to eat and found in Jollibee. Their hard work in giving us their service is overwhelming through their Jollibee Express delivery. So the quality of services that honestly, kung moadto jud ka sa Jollibee, 'di ba, kay pinaspasay jud ang mga empleyado when it comes to preparing their foods. And matest pud sa imuha ang matest pud sa imuha ang patient like 10 to 20 minutes ka magpaabot sa sa imong order. Pero ako kay makuha jud ako satisfied jud ko sa ilang service bahala kay gamay ra man pud gud ang empleyado sa Jollibee, then all employees are really kanang hardworking jud kay kuha jud sila work from head to toe, naglihok tanan ilahang kuan ng parts silang body from mind to their feet. So next slide, yeah, see. Okay, let's go from the internal, let's go to the external. Competitors' logistic performance, Jollibee's success, its home market developed as a result of its ability to better meet the needs of the Filipino customer. Although, wait, although its success was mediated by a political and economic crisis in 1983, Jollibee was able to deliver a product that was both cheaper and getting tastier than McDonald's. And we all know that the biggest competitor of Jollibee is McDonald's. Like, naganaana ra jud na sila kay compared to other food chains here in the Philippines. So, and we all know that Jollibee have a the 5S, that the 5F. Next slide. Trends. Jollibee, it's just a popular as McDonald's in the Philippines, and it's known for its sweet sauce spaghetti, hand-breaded crispy chicken, burgers, and peach mango pies. Jollibee Food Corporation, the country's fast food specialist known for fried chicken and chopped hot dogs in sweet spaghetti sauce, and doubling down on expansion plans in the United States in China. And we can't deny the fact that most of the product of the Jollibee is on trend. It depends sa season. Like katong bag-o ron ngatong Jollibee Champ ay Jollibee Burger Champ ba 'to? Kay karon pa nila gikuan kay way back 2018 pa 'to last gi-release pero nibalik siya karon nga season like last month lang katong naay fries nga naay ultimate patty nga og naay egg, and that was one of my favorite product also in Jollibee. So let's go to the pest analysis. Okay, PES, we all know that PES stands for political, economic, social, and technological. First, we go to political. The business is obliged to follow government policy and health standards by providing nutritious meals for customers and good hygiene establishment. So, I believe that every business and every firm, they should pay their taxes. And aside from that, both employees and even the managers have a benefits like SSS, Pag-ibig, and other benefits. Economic factors, effect of high inflation rates to the capability of customers in affording the product served by Jollibee. Economic crisis has a great effect for both customers and supplier because it decreases the demand, supply, sales, and revenues. Exchange rate also affects Jollibee production and services. Next slide. So social, careful analysis before establishing new Jollibee branch or franchise, including the religion. And we all know that the Jollibee is halal friendly and mostly kay mga product nila kay halal like chicken, like less lang jud kay ang pork. And aside from the religion, they provide also a scholarship for the students who are deserving. Lastly, the technological factors. Embracing new technology provided by modernization through technology business like Jollibee can keep in touch in providing customer satisfaction and improve competitive advantage. Technology gives advantage by assessing business and productive operation. And we all know that Jollibee use one of the most technological devices that para ma-cater ang mga tao nga mga paspas and para ma-ensure po ang quality sa product and services. Next slide. Go. Let's go to external environment economy. Factor that affect Jollibee external environment. One, new trends. Factor two, competitors. And the last one is poor economy. Though, so the sa trending, the magkuan jud sila mag take risk jud ang Jollibee mag like kuan sila word tawag ani they hire the high-end endorser in advertisement. So second is the competitors. Like ang Jollibee ang mga other competitors sa Jollibee kay maglisod sila og pildi sa Jollibee because of its famous branding. Next slide. Let's go to SWOT analysis. You all know that SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths are productive employee. They have a clear goals and strategies. It is a popular business. The employees are excellent, high quality food. Locations are fit to people. The employees treat their customer well. Customer are comfortable. Let's go for the weaknesses. Some customers are not satisfied with their service. High employee turnover. Other product is not available. Limited discounted product. Lack of employees. Opportunities. Competitive to other Jollibee stores. Growth of the business strategy. Willingness to collaborate and make partnership to other companies. Threats. Entry of new business and poor management strategies and low potential of target market. Next slide. So the public private construct contract warehouse. Jollibee has partnered with different fast food companies worldwide in which it is also managed by the Jollibee Food Corporation. It is essential since it has grown to the one of the most recognized and highly preferred brands in the Philippines. The product of Jollibee is very convenient to everyone. It satisfies the customers in very much affordable prices. And Jollibee is not selfish when it comes to franchising. And by franchising, it is known all over in our country, not just in our country, but the entire world. And public private contract courage. Jollibee has a lot of suppliers. The reason why the courageous is always present in this business to apply the goods and services that they offers. So, since karon panahon na dili man ta basta-basta makagawas, 'di ba? And and they initiate dugay for the very long time nga naga-deliver og food. Just hit 8-7,000 in your phone and napud sila Jollibee app. And addition with this matter, since our subject matter is about logistic. I have a friend who worked in Jollibee. Then, banto gina-search na ko, gina-try na kong search sa Google ang mga food suppliers sa Jollibee. And not one of them kanang wala siya nigawas kay in terms of confidentiality ingon pa sa akong ingon sa akong warehouse, ingon pa sa akong friend. So, then he honestly tell me nga ilang suppliers sa chicken kay Magnolia, ang pineapple juice kay Dole, and the soft drinks are Coke. And other than that, kay wala na pud siya kabalo. Then when it comes to delivering, kay COD sila always sa small amount. Small amount, basta small amount kay COD lang na sila or cash on delivery kanang mga gina-delivers mga sa supplier sa Jollibee. Pero sa pero sa kanang big amount na like 100,000 kay bank transfer na siya. So that's all for our report, and hope you learn from our chosen logistic plan, which is the Jollibee. So thank you.